Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am here to show how to withdraw money from AdvCash to bank account. Let's get started. First thing first, open the AdvCash website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the withdrawal or transfer section of your AdvCash account dashboard. For that, just click on Send Funds. After clicking on Send Funds, you can see some options available there to attach wallet, to bank, to email, to via MC, and many more. Click on to bank. Make sure that your AdVcash account is fully verified. Most platform requires to complete the verification process, which may involve providing identification documents and other relevant information. So make sure you provide it. As you see, I'm not verified, so I cannot transfer the money. But if you are verified, then all you have to do is provide the necessary information about your bank account details and specify the amount and process for the withdrawal. And that is it. Please like and subscribe our channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.